Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So before I'll show you the fastest access to this option, I'd like to show you how to customize it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and now let's tap on the display. Here we've got the option Eye Comfort Shield, and as you can see we can turn it on or off without any customization just by tapping on the switcher. And I hope that you can see a slight change, so the screen turned a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you want to leave it like this, that's okay. If you'd like to customize it, just tap on Eye Comfort Shield, and as you can see we've got two different options. So first of all, we can change the color temperature. Just by going to the left you can make it much cooler, and it is almost invisible right now, and by going to the right, much warmer. So it's quite, I would say that the colors are quite dull. A little bit maybe. So of course you can set it just like you want to, just pick the option which is most comfortable for you. What's more, you can set the schedule, so you can keep it always on, which means that you will have to turn it on or off manually. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, or you can custom the time. So I will pick the custom, and as you can see, just by swiping you can pick the start time and the end time. Just tap on done if you're ready, and as you can see the screen immediately got back to its normal state. It is of course because we are not between the start and end time. But let me turn it off, and basically this is the whole customization of the Eye Comfort Shield. So now I can show you much faster access to it. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. Here we have to go to the, let's say, the next page, and we've got the Eye Comfort Shield here. If you cannot find it, no worries, this plus icon, just tap on it and you will be able to find it. So right now it is obviously active, so in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state. So you can turn it on also the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the Eye Comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.